Got 99 problems, but my hair ain't one.
Oh my word.
Oh my word.
She has the most beautiful hair.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Excuse me. Hello. Please, please, I beg you. Oh, you're so cool, dude. Hello. Would you like some hair advice?
Is that for free?
Yes.
Free.
Free.
Do you have any struggles with your hair or anything that you like?
It's kind of frizzy.
Yeah.
It's insane hair.
This is your natural color?
It's all natural texture as well.
What do you
So-
put in it? Like to help stop the frizz?
I apply hair oil,
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
coconut oil,
Okay.
Yeah.
and then I apply hair mask, and then I put leave-in conditioner.
So it's still dry after all of that.
Yeah. Is this blow dried or is this your natural?
Natural.
Ah,
I think sometimes when it's got that frizzy texture, you've got to kind of blow dry the products in. So I think that can help a lot. But you just got to be careful of the heat because you don't want to dry your hair out even more, right?
maybe once a week do like a little bit of a treatment that you leave in and sleep with in the evening. That
Do
could
you
also
sleep
work.
with a hair bonnet?
Ah, that's not
Oh my
a bad
God, that
idea.
is life changing.
I use a satin.
Pillowcase.
But honestly, you'll braid your hair and
Yeah.
put your bonnet on. It's life changing. My
So
hair's
it could
very
help
frizzy, I
to
get
not
it.
get friction in the evening.
Yeah.
But
Don't
I
get a
must say, I
fringe.
think your hair is
It's
absolutely
beautiful.
stunning.
Oh,
Thank
that's
you so
okay.
much. Thank you for
so
stopping and
much.
chatting with us. Thank you.
Come here. Come here. You have hair. We're going to give you advice. You don't get out of this. All right, so we're going to do a blade 2, bit of a mohawk, dyed pink,
Okay.
and green tips.
I did dye my hair once though.
Oh, really?
It was aqua blue.
Oh, really? Have you had photos?
Was it a hit?
Show me, show me,
Oh,
show
no
me.
way.
Oh,
no way.
yes. You look great. Oh, that's hot. I love
Yeah.
this. You should totally do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here for it. That's my advice. Color your hair.
Oh my gosh. Oh my word. How cute.
Oh my God.
Can I get a brush for you?
Problems hair.